Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clay mod your keyboard. Now this mod was shown off recently by another keyboard content creator called Keybored in one of his most recent videos where he added plastilina clay to the bottom of his keyboard. I was very interested in it, so I decided to do it myself. Now he said that it'll make the keyboard sound denser and less hollow while giving it a little bit more weight and having a more premium sound to it as well, and it is especially good for keyboards that have a thin plastic case. So I decided to try it out on my BM65 here. All you have to do is buy the plastilina clay and make sure you evenly spread it to the bottom of the keyboard case like so. Once you have it evenly spread and there's no bumps or cracks going over or it's overflowing or anything like that, you can put your PCB back into the case and put everything back together. I decided to tape mod and PE foam mod this keyboard, and I'll be showing you a before and after sound test so you guys can hear the difference. So yeah, I think this is a relatively easy, simple, and effective mod that you can do to any of your low-end budget keyboards to make it sound a lot more premium. Thank you to Keyboard for showing off this mod in your recent video, and I'll be leaving a link to the clay I used in this video in the description below. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.